Okay, I'm gonna crack my nose. Wait. I'm not sure if you could tell, but I kind of messed up cutting my bangs. I made it too short. So I guess it's either I just go with the short bang look, or I could make it like, I don't know, some of you guys said you guys wanted to see me with straight across bangs, so I guess this is how I would look with straight across bangs. Complete dork, like, but anyway, makeup jump. 1, 2. For those of you that wanted to see me with straight across bangs, I guess this is how I look like. I wasn't actually trying to make it straight across, I just cut my side bangs too short. This is why I don't get straight across bangs. But anyway, quote of the day. So today's quote says, "You got to be careful if you don't know where you're going because you might not get there." Are you living with a specific goal, or are you just living as the day comes? Because if you don't live without a specific goal, you might not be able to use your potentials to the fullest. That was the quote of the day. Oh, my hair, I can't wait until it grows back. But anyway, I am going to go to work now. Hey guys, I finished work, and if you guys are wondering why I'm always at this cafe, it's because Japanese cafe Wi-Fi suck. This cafe happens to be next to a convenience store, and Japanese convenience store Wi-Fi is really good. So yeah, the Wi-Fi connects from the cafe. This is like the only cafe that I know that has good Wi-Fi. And why am I doing another bathroom vlog, you ask? I discovered something really cool. Before, there only used to be like a big and a small flush button. This means big for when you poop, and this means small for when you just pee. And they have an echo button now for saving more water. I don't know what's the point of this then, but pretty cool, huh? I was trying to vlog while I was outside, but it was too cold, so I couldn't take my hands out. Yeah, this vlog is boring, huh? This vlog is boring, this vlog. But when I work, there's nothing to do, and I was just gonna hit the showers. It's so boring. I think he fell asleep studying for his midterms or final entrance exams for high school. This clock is clearly broken, but I made this back when I was in high school. And yeah, this used to be my room, so that's why it's still up there. どうした?
皿洗い終わった。
お疲れ。お疲れ。As you can see, we're like all tired today. Despite all of us being so tired and sleepy and everything, I do have one good news. Remember in the New Year's, I said that one of my goals was to lose weight, aka just start out easy, aka not snacking for 3 days in a week. Well, I already accomplished that. I think I'm doing good. Except the thing is, because it's winter, it's hard to lose weight. Like, I don't sweat or anything. So I feel like even though I don't eat snacks, I'm still like not losing that much weight. It's winter. Who loses weight in winter? It's like hibernating month. Like, my body's like just not letting go of the fat. It's so annoying, even if I'm not eating snacks. But let's see what happens. I'm planning to do Saturday weigh-ins again, so I'm so sleepy.
I go blue, so will my hair.
I'm gonna go blow dry my hair.
I go through my eyebrow hair.
What? これできる? I win.
ここでやってみて。普通にキモないそれ。
Can you do it? You couldn't do it? Oh, I know something you guys can't do. Like, 確実に. What? Did you hear that?
How did you do that?
It just cracks. Oh, yeah, I could go on forever. I could crack my knees forever, you know that, right?
Oh, yeah.
I could crack my middle finger.
And you will crack their middle finger.
Crack your middle finger.
Oh, wait. Benji could do it.
俺もさっき
I could always do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's play we each crack one of our body parts.
Okay.
I could win.
I know. I know I'm gonna lose though. Because I cracked everything just a second. Just a.
See? I could always crack my middle finger.
I'm gonna lose this. Hold on. Okay.
いきなり
You heard that right?
Yeah, I heard that.
That was my
いや
wrist.
俺もならじゃあねじゃあねなった
Okay. Are you trying to crack
Oh,
your
I
toe?
cracked it! Did you guys hear that?
No. Did you hear it?
お聞こえた
Okay, you got that.
Okay, I cracked it.
Okay.
Showing them.
How did you do that?
I think we're really good at cracking. Nothing's cracking, you fool.
Registered.
俺無理かもしれん
Such a weird game.
え乗ってる。
Oh,
yeah.
that's so unfair. Okay, I'm gonna crack my nose.
Don't fool us.
それどうやってしたんあれ
めっちゃ痛いで。知らないこれ。
知らない真面目に
We think of the weirdest games. Damn. That's so
That's amazing.
I don't understand how that. Oh, I heard.
Whoa.
Try that. I bet it'll crack. Whoa, I heard that
My
one.
shoulder. That was my shoulder.
What?
早くないちょっと待ってよ。
This is gonna go on forever.
It's really weird, but if I do like this thingy, it cracks sometimes.
いいやん
なってないよ
Big fan.
Just wait.
That's so unfair.
Okay, I lose.
You lost. Yay!
I guess I'm going to put one on tonight myself. Oh, it smells funny. I do have a clogged nose lately, like every night, so let's see if these strips really work. Oh, that's really cold.
No sound music 旅に行ってくる兄が寝てる旅に行ってくる何もしない弟なんかしてよ弟最後まで何もしない弟
Good night, everyone.
これ Good night everyone
Mwah.